Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. This is Case or No Case, where we test just how well you know the law. I'm Andrea Williams, and we're being joined by my friend, attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing very well, and it's always good to see you, although it's virtually these days.
Yeah, it is. It's everything's virtually these days. And, case or no case, are you tired of the pandemic?
That is a big case, Jeff.
Big case.
For sure.
Absolutely. So we've got something for the pandemic blues. So we've got a case or no case baseball cap, very limited edition. It's got the PKSD on the side. So if you want one, you got to go to our website or go to our Facebook page and order one.
That is a good looking hat. And I know you got to mail me one, right?
Absolutely.
Looking forward to getting that. And let's get down to business.
All right, let's get started. So you're entering an intersection on a green light and you're going to be making a left-hand turn. And you're waiting for oncoming traffic to pass so that you can make it safely. There's a car that's coming towards you, and it sees that the light turned yellow, and he hits the gas so that he can beat into the intersection, beat the red light. You start making your turn because you think that car is going to stop, and he crashes into you, and you suffer some severe injuries as a result of that. Case or no case against that driver who sped up to enter the intersection on the yellow.
Yeah, that driver that went into that light and it turned, I'm guessing because of that, there's definitely a case.
There is a case. So if you enter that light, enter that intersection on green light, you have the right to clear that intersection. That other driver who entered it on a yellow, he sped up to get into that intersection. With a yellow light, you have to be able to stop before you reach the intersection. So in this scenario, there is a case.
Wow, makes a lot of sense. And of course, I know you've got another scenario for us.
I do. So I've got a nursing home case for you. Your 75-year-old aunt who lives on her own, she falls at home and she breaks her hip. And she has to go to the hospital to get it fixed, and then she has to have it she's going to be discharged to the rehab facility for some rehab. She's a widow. She doesn't have any kids, and you're the closest family. She asked you to join her when she's going to be admitted to the nursing home. When she's admitted, she's in a lot of pain, and she's on pain medication. So she's really out of it. And they want you to sign the paperwork, the admission paperwork. Well, inside that admission paperwork, there is an arbitration agreement. They don't really tell you what it's about, but they tell you just to sign it. So you do. Now, your aunt's there for about 3 days, and they drop her, and she breaks her other hip. And she has to go through the whole process again, right? So case or no case against the facility since you signed the arbitration agreement for your aunt?
Wow, that's a tricky one, but I'm thinking there's a case there.
There is a case. So the key here is that if your aunt is of sound mind and there's no power of attorney activated, then she's the one who has to sign that arbitration agreement for it to be enforceable. If you sign it and you're not her power of attorney, you're not her guardian, that arbitration agreement is not enforceable, so there would be a case that could be brought in court.
Good information there. Thank you so much for sharing that, Jeff. And of course, if you ever wonder if you have a case or no case, wonder no more. Just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.